Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Vscode and Python 3, 10 plus installed, and Git configured. Once done, install the GitHub Copilot extension and sign in with your GitHub account so suggestions are tied to your identity. Make sure your Python interpreter is selected in the lower bar and that IntelliSense is active. You do this now to let Copilot access context from your workspace. Enabling formatters and linting early prevents suggestion conflicts and keeps code style consistent. You begin by opening a Py file and typing a clear function signature or comment. Copilot reads that context and proposes code. Use Tab to accept, Control plus Enter to show alternative suggestions, and Alt plus to cycle. This gives you fast iterations. Once you rely on it, tweak settings. Inline versus ghost text, multi-line completions, and suggestion delay so the tool fits your pace. Also, make testable small functions. Copilot performs best when you provide explicit intent and examples. You finish by running your unit tests and linters to validate Copilot-generated code. Never assume suggestions are correct. If behavior seems off, disable the extension and reload the window to clear transient state, then sign in again. Make sure to inspect Output GitHub Copilot for authentication or network errors, and confirm Workspace Trust is enabled so Copilot can access files. If suggestions remain inaccurate, refine prompts with clearer comments or smaller functions to improve relevance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.